by fortune, the reason has come to me. For neither bird's song nor greenery, nor April flowers nor rose in May would have turned me to joy, if from love who conquers all sorrow some comfort had not come to me, for which I must give all my joy thanks. All the hardship and endurance, and the long desire and dismay, I know that now she straightens for me, she who has given me many a terror. What is love worth if one draws no ill from it? For the jealousy and the torments that I had, and the anguish and the yearning, make me doubly rejoice. A lover who often complains and seeks all that his lady does, if he conquers love, it does not last for him, for he does not know how he comes or goes. For a lady promises and withdraws, and says many pleasing things, so that among good people one may advance all her worth. If some other suitor turns up, begging my lady to love him and kiss him, he does wrong and oversteps, while he is content with my love. For she does not do what is fitting, wherefore I render her thanks 500 times. And since all the honor is mine, what does it matter if the fool wishes to shame himself? Every day she grows and improves, and is worth so much that she cannot be more. The beauty who assures me of a love in which I shall not fail. For a long time she held me on trial, and if I had believed those who wish me ill, knowing what I now know is nothing, I could well have wrongly parted from her. Lady, I am of such a nature that in the season when it suits me best, I am toward all creatures more noble, and toward you I shall be so. For the more you hold me charming and gay, I can make you 1,000 true vows that I shall be more obedient to you, and shall wish to serve you 1,000 times more. More than friend, you have worth and sense, if you wish my advancement. For Mirabal